Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you love cozy, charming spaces with a touch of vintage soul, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into all things rustic vintage farmhouse decor, from reclaimed wood and antique finds to cozy textures and warm color palettes. I am sharing my favorite tips to help you create a timeless farmhouse vibe that feels both nostalgic and fresh, even if you are on a budget. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's bring that rustic charm home on Cozy Corner at a time. Keep the color palette soft. Stick to neutral and earthy tones, whites, creams, dark, warm grays, and muted greens. Use natural, raw materials. Prioritize materials like wood, stone, linen, jute, and metal. Mix old and new. Combine vintage flower market finds with modern farmhouse staples. For example, pair a distressed wood dining table with modern linen chairs. Use open shelving. Display vintage dishes, cookbooks, and mason jars with dried goods. Keep it cozy. Add soft lighting with addition bulbs, lanterns, and candle sconces. Use straws and pillows to make the space inviting and snug. And greenery. Use indoor plants, dried lavender, eucalyptus branches, or cotton stems. Tuck them into enamel jugs, galvanized buckets, or old glass bottles. Focus on simple, functional decor. Rustic farmhouse style is not cluttered, it's purposeful. Choose pieces that are both beautiful and useful, like a vintage bread box or cast iron pan. Embrace imperfection. Don't aim for perfect. Scratches, faded paint, and uneven finishes add authenticity. Look for pieces that tell a story. They add warmth and depth. Decorate with antique or thrift store finds. Think vintage lanterns, old books, rotary phones, animal pictures, or barn tools. These bring true vintage vibes and make great conversation pieces. Use farmhouse inspired wall decor. Hang things like framed botanical prints, rustic clocks, wooden signs with handwritten fonts, wire or wooden baskets. Incorporate sliding barn doors. A wooden sliding barn door adds measure farmhouse charm and can be used in bathrooms, closets, or even pantries. Add a farmhouse sink. An apron for porcelain sink instantly gives a vintage farmhouse kitchen vibe. Pair it with brush or matte black fixtures for that rustic touch. Create a feature wall. Use shiplap, reclaimed wood planks, or whitewashed brick. Use vintage lighting. Look for old iron candlelights, lantern-style pendant lights, or additional bulb sconces. These fixtures add charm and a warm glow to your space. Incorporate rustic flooring, white plank wood floors, or vinyl alternatives that look like them. Bring the whole farmhouse vibe together. You can layer them with natural fiber rugs like jute or sisal for comfort. Use curtain alternatives. Swap heavy drapes for linen or cotton curtains, or even burlap panels. For a real farmhouse feel, try cafe curtains in kitchens or bathrooms. Lean into vintage kitchenware. Display old cutting boards, copper pots, animal ware, and cast iron skillets. Hang them on open shelves, bed rails, or wall hooks. It's both storage and decor. Add wooden crates and trunks. Use vintage wooden crates as underbed storage, side tables, or shelving. Add baseboard or wainscoting. Line the bottom half of your walls with baseboard for that cottage farmhouse texture. It adds subtle dimension and an instant vintage feel. Go for mismatched furniture. Don't worry about sets. Mix different wood tones, fabrics, or painted pieces. A rustic farmhouse space feels collected over time, not bought all at once. Style entryways with warmth. Add a wooden bench or open baskets underneath and a few window hooks. Finish it with a weathered welcome sign and a cozy throw. Add rustic mirrors. Use mirrors with distressed wood, old iron, or antique gold frames. They bounce light and add vintage character. Use old doors as decor. Lean a cheapy old door in a corner or use one as a base for a tie coat rack or headboard. Incorporate handmade touches, knit frost, stitched pillows, hand-painted signs, or pottery pieces add a heartfelt feel. Even just one handcrafted item makes our space feel more lived in and unique. Key features of rustic vintage farmhouse decor: natural materials, wood, especially reclaimed, stone, linen, burlap, and old iron. Distressed finishes, furniture and decor that look aged or withered. Neutral earthy tones, whites, creams, beige, warm greys, soft greens and browns. Vintage accents, antique finds, flower market treasures, animal wear and old signet. Functional beauty, decor that's pretty and practical, like open shelving with mason jars or baskets for storage. Decor ideas, reclaimed wood shelves with vintage glass jars or iron brackets. Old window frames repurposed as wall decor or mirror frames. Distressed wooden furniture like a farmhouse dining table or sideboard. Galvanized metal buckets or tubs as planters or storage bins. Mason jars turned into candle holders, vases or pendant lights. Vintage signs with farm-related words or sayings like gather, farm fresh eggs, or welcome to our home. Wicker baskets for organizing linens or holding throw blankets. Antique clocks or rustic wall-mounted skulls as statement pieces. Green check fabrics for throw pillows and table turners. Thanks for watching the video.